Okay, I'm gonna show you a little tour of the smoke alarms at a house in New Jersey. We got this KN-COSM-IB in the boiler room. See, it's on. You can see. I'll show you the rest. There is a first alert. 9120B right here. There it is. And it is on. On the upstairs, they got a 7010B. I'll show you real quickly, and then I'll go to the upstairs. There it is. Some stuff. And then you can look up there. KN-COSM-IB. Here's another KN-COSM. That might be a KN-COSM-IB.
It's so cute.
Let's see.
I want to live here.
9120B in there. This might be a bathroom. Yep, it is. Oh, there be something in here. There's another 9120B. Nice blue light. And then a key. And then probably another. Yep. Oh, that one's latching. Look. Yep, that one has the latching feature turned on. And then the master bedroom. There is another right there. It's a large master bedroom. Get a flashlight. Honeywell. I hope that didn't. Is that an LBL? No, they're not LBLs. They're just 9120Bs. Can I? God, I can't reach it. I'm not gonna reach it. But I think I got everything. Oh, nice lights. Here's a little tour.